Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Skul laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School kalawan hakadan Banyngkong haka exam HSSLC naka science stream balapan mi daka embos mantaka Sngi ka santarik lingba usap tarshi batachaji ubalawan hakadan Banyngkong haka top top 10 dakbayo sauspa prapulaimak habayo manekran ber usap tarshi batachaji ubawan hakadan Banyngkong haka science stream na Bengalee Boys ulong ba kajingpen Khreh jang uy ka exam kadai kajingpen Khreh na du kamin siam ba kajing aini ulong ba upulekot tang Hapoh handeu na hanyo Kynta Hendrei kajing pulekot gadai bet man ka Sngi omdan tang shisian ru ba un sange kiwei pat kibapoi haka top top 10 haka science stream na Bengalee Boys High Secondary School kilong ude budget malakar ubawan haka kedan basan bad ugaraf das ubawan haka kedan bapra
Honestly, I don't know actually. Like it's just that still now I can't even digest it. It's a surreal moment for me. I'm just in a euphoric state. I don't have words actually to describe it.
You can tell us about your preparations.
See, I never had a routine. My only thing was to be sincere. That's it. Be sincere and be consistent. That's it. That what moved me through this and kept fueling me.
Daily how?
Actually, people think that I studied like 10-15 hours. It was never that. It was like never even 6-7 hours. It was less than that. Just that I did it every day and never skipped it. That's it.
What about the support from them?
They have been with me through this process. My mother, my whole family, the school, everyone, all the teachers, everyone. They've supported me like hell. Actually, I can't have say now anything. I'm just out of words now.
So, what are your plans?
What is next?
What is your next plan?
I want to pursue BTech in aerospace. That's it.
You pursue here or outside?
Okay.
So what is your ambition in life?
To be engineer in NASA or ISRO. See, this is they have been very disciplined. The school, each and every teacher, they know what they are doing. They're good. They're the best at what they do. They have managed to keep the school very disciplined to like 4 years in a row. That's a big thing. So they did really well. It never affected me, to be honest, because I never used it excessively. So that's why I don't think that it should affect. Like you can be there, but you should not be addicted to it. That's it.
Social media helps.
Regarding some news and information, yes, but there are plenty other distractions, So that's also a thing.
What is also your message to the youths? We are seeing a lot of rise in the number of cases of drugs. Are these not going to affect their education?
Of course, they.
What is your message on that?
No, they should not
In
be.
terms of
They are addicted to.
just that. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this thing? It is affecting you. It is affecting your family. It is affecting your own body. So why are you even doing this? Just ask yourself that.
And I think that what I've put into my studies, they have paid well, so I'm happy.
So what is your next plan?
Next plan, actually I was thinking to do forensics or pharmacy. So I'll give the NFSU test, which will be in July, and if I get, then I'll go for forensics. If not, then I'll do pharmacy.
Okay, over to your colleague.
I'm quite happy with my results, but I guess I could have done a bit much better if I was a bit less overconfident. But now whatever has done. Now I will see what I will do. I thought of giving my J, so I will see I can do it better.
What is your ambition?
Yes?
Ambition.
Ambition. My ambition is to become a AI engineer and AI developer.
Yours, your ambition you can tell.
My ambitions actually, I'm not quite. I don't have actually what I want to be, and my ambitions are always scattered everywhere. So I think I'm going with 4600. It's good.